Suppose we have a linked list 1, 3, 5, 7. We want to know, does the value 5 appear anywhere in it? In an array, we could jump around, but in a linked list, we can only start at head and follow the links one node at a time, checking each value as we go. The plan is a straight walk. We start at head and look at each node in turn. If the current node's value equals the target we are looking for, we are done and return true. If we keep going and fall off the end, reaching nothing, then the value was never there, and we return false. It is a simple linear search along the chain. We define a node with a value and a link. To search, we start at head. While the node is real, we check if its value matches the target. If it does, we return true right away. Otherwise, we hop to the next node. If we run out of nodes, we return false. Let's search a small list for 2 values in a live editor. A node holds a value and a link to the next node. Begin the search at head. Check each node. Match means return true. Reach the end means return false. Now let's test it and hit run. There it is. 5 is in the list, so we get true. 4 is not. So after walking the whole chain, we get false. Here's the whole loop. Start ahead. While the node is real, ask if its value is the target. If yes, return true. If no, step to the next node. If we run out of nodes, return false. In the worst case, the value is at the end or missing entirely. So we check all n nodes. That is order n time. We only keep 1 pointer, so the extra space is order 1. Remember these. First, the moment you find the target, return true. There is no need to keep walking. Second, if you reach nothing, the value is simply not there. And third, even if the lists were sorted, you cannot do a binary search because a linked list has no jump to the middle.